Hi, this is Wendy from Planview. In this video, I will be demonstrating how Planview Hub integrates Jama with Atlassian Jira to improve the velocity, efficiency, and quality of your deliveries. Planview Hub automates the flow of work across tools in between IT practitioners to eliminate duplicate data entry, human error, and administrative overhead. Jama enables the delivery of high-quality products faster by improving the system's development process through unified requirements management and traceability. Atlassian Jira is an agile project management tool used by teams to plan, track, release, and support world-class software. This demo will highlight some of the benefits of Planview Hub, such as automated artifact creation in Jira based on activities and other tools like Jama, reliably and seamlessly perform bidirectional synchronization between Jama and Atlassian Jira, eliminating friction and delays and normalizing the data as it flows through a model, automated traceability by inserting back references and links to twinned artifacts in other tools, and an intuitive admin user interface where all the integrations are set up and administered. During the demonstration, we will explore an integration for a company in the process of developing a mobile video streaming application where each team would like to stay in their tool of choice, in this case, Jama and Jira. In their use case, the product team would like to create an epic in Jama and leverage Planview Hub to flow the epic to the corresponding project in Jira. The Jira team will then decompose the epic into stories, and then Planview Hub will synchronize these stories back to the appropriate project in Jama while preserving their relationship to the original epic. Users in both Jama and Jira will have the ability to create defects. Once a defect is created, it will seamlessly integrate with either Jama or Jira. As Planview synchronizes these items between tools, you will see updates such as progress, priority, and assignee flow between Jama and Jira. Let's get started. We're going to start in Jama, and as you can see, I'm in my mobile application project. I want to create an epic as the users want to be able to make payments online. I'm going to name the epic, add in a description, assign this, add in a priority, and then add in a tag of online payments. We're going to save and commit this. Now we're going to go into Jira and refresh our list, and I can see the online payment has appeared. I can also see that I have the Jama ID and the Jama URL came over from Jama. I have a question for the users, and instead of emailing, I'm going to add in a comment. Once I save the comment, I'm going to return to Jama and go back into online payments, and I can see the comment has appeared over here. I'm going to answer the question in Jama and go ahead and reply, then refresh on Jira. I can see then that comment, the question has been answered. And now it's time to break these down into stories. I'm going to create a story, go ahead and add in my summary, add in a quick description, set the priority, and associate the epic. I'm going to add in a label of payments and go ahead and create this. I'm going to view my issue, and you can see that online payments is related as the epic. Now I'm going to return to Jama. I'm going to refresh my screen. See, I can now see that pay bill online. The epic is related, and I notice that the priority has been set to low, and I want to adjust that to high. I'm going to make that change, select save and done. Return to Jira. And I can see that that new priority has flowed over to Jira. I'm now going to assign this to myself and change it to in progress as I'm ready to start working on this. I'm now going to return to Jama, and I can see that the status has changed in Jama as well, and it is also assigned to the desktop admin as user. The last request in this use case is to be able to create defects in Jama or Jira. For today, we're going to create a defect in Jira, give it a name, add in a description. We're going to set this as a blocker because users need to be able to change their password. We're going to add in a label of blocked, and we're going to go ahead and create this defect. Once this defect is created, we'll return to Jama, refresh our screen. We can now see the bug. The user cannot change their password. It has come over with the priority of really bad and a status approved. And we can also see that it has the Jira ID and the Jira URL, so it has the traceability just like our epics and stories did. In summary, because of the Planview Hub solution, business and IT professionals across these tools collaborated with each other seamlessly, never having to leave their tool of choice, never having to copy and paste information, and never having to exchange over email. This integration was made possible by Planview Hub's straightforward administrative user interface, a central hub for managing all your integrations. With the ability to fine-tune which fields and projects are included and how they are synchronized thanks to reusable models. Additionally, you can effortlessly track integration activity and access metrics to gauge the extent of manual effort saved within your organization. If you like what you saw and would like to learn more, contact us for a demo or evaluation at www.planview.com.